In this video we will see what is production mode, what is it made for, and why it is useful to have it, and why it is useful sorry, to be able to disable it, right? First thing we'll do is we will set the rendering window, the output of the perimeter system, to this display we are recording, the one you can see, right? It's very useful because this way we can see what is the system doing without needing a perimeter system connected or working, right? So I will take the display one, that is this display you are seeing, and I will set a rendering window of 1024 by 768, a lower window, a little window. I will choose the cabinet model, the Epson A90, right? Because it's not big in pixel sizes. Save the configuration, right? And then I will go to the perimeter configuration. The first thing I will do is have a look here. Is the production mode active or not? Now it is active, right? If we try it, we will see that in the rendering window the background is black. This means the pixels are off, are turned off, right? So in case we have any little misalignment in the definitions of the cabinets and the real ones, right, it will be hardly perceived, right, because the LEDs will be off, right? On the other hand, if we move our mouse cursor on the top of this area, the cursor is not is hidden, right? So we will not have we will not have a cursor mouse in the perimeter system, right? If we move a window, the windows always stay behind the rendering window, right? This is for safety of the live operation. You will not have surprises of having an unwanted window through the perimeter system, right? But on the other hand, well, we have to move it to be able to access the buttons, right? So let's turn this test off, and now we will turn off the production mode. Let's save first, right? And the first thing it happens is that a warning appears in the control panel, a big warning, right? You are not safe for going to production now. Why? Let's see it. Let's try it again. The first thing you will see is that the background is not black anymore, is pink, right? This way you can identify if you have any misalignment in the definition of your system, right? In the configuration of the perimeter system. So when you send the signal to the perimeter system, no pink has to be seen in the perimeter, right? If the configuration is correct, you do not have to see the pink color, right? On the other hand, if we take our window, we can move it in front of the output. Why? Because when we are testing, when we are learning, if we are configuring the sequences and the playlist in a computer that does not have a perimeter system, it's very useful to be able to send the output to this monitor and check it visually. How is it going to be, right? So if that window is always on top, it's not possible to use the control panel or to use the configuration window, right? So to work with it when we are not in production mode off, the output is in this window, and you will see that you can test, play with the system very easily. You will be warned that the system is not in production mode. Turn the production mode active, save the configuration, the warning will disappear, and now you are ready to go. See you in the next video.